Eisenhower High School, an informational guide for fall 2019 and spring 2020. About our school. Eisenhower High School is a public secondary school in Goddard, Kansas, operated by the Goddard Public Schools. In 2011, the high school was completed and was opened for students in August. It's one of 12 schools in the Goddard Unified School District. As you can see here, the external view of our school. Some general information. Eisenhower High School was founded in August 2011 when the district split the existing high schools, and is a 5A school under the Kansas State High School Activities Association and a member of the ABCTL Division II. In 2017, there were 915 students, 211 of which were seniors, and 251 being freshmen, showing continued growth. The top 10% GPA was 3.91 and top 50% 3.41, with a 21.7 composite average ACT score. Eisenhower High School is fully accredited by the state of Kansas. Athletics. A great day to be a Tiger. There are 4 state championships so far in the last 9 years and 2 runners-up for our basketball team. State championships 3 for bowling and 1 for our boys tennis team. Academics. Some academic information about our school. There are numerous honors classes that are offered for our students, including all 4 years of English and numerous math and science courses, as well as history and Spanish. Also, students have an opportunity for AP classes and concurrent enrollment through Newman University. Also, there are career and technical education programs, including but not limited to Project Lead the Way. Also, due to the growth of the school and the overall health of our district, the inclusion of the Goddard Educational Foundation is very important and offers a bright tomorrow. The GEF at a glance is an endowment fund putting millions back into education right here in Goddard, Kansas. Scholarships, teach resources, student needs, building a brighter tomorrow. Today. Choose EHS and be one of our family. Go Tigers.